Are you happy?
Yes.
Are you busy?
No.
Are you shy?
No.
Uh, are you hungry?
Yes. Yes.
Are you sleepy?
Yes.
Do you wake up early?
Yes.
Do you go to school every day?
Yes. Yes.
Do you study every day?
No.
Do you do homework?
Yes.
Do you sleep late?
Yes.
Oh. Do you like?
Um, yes.
Do you like noodle? Noodle?
No.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes. Yes.
Do you drink milk?
Yes.
Do you eat
Uh,
vegetable?
no.
Do you play game?
Yes. Yes.
Do you watch TV?
No.
Do you like music?
Yes.
Do you read book?
No.
Do you draw?
Yes.
Do you have friends?
Yes.
Do do you talk to your friend every day?
Yes. Yes.
Do you play with your friend?
No.
Do you choose a phone?
Yes.
Do you use the internet?
Yes.
Do you watch YouTube?
Yes.
Do you like English?
No.
Do you like math?
Yes.
Do you go to school by bus?
No.
Do you have homework today?
Yes.
Do you like cat?
Yes.
Do you like dog?
Yes.
No. Do you like tea?
No.
Do you like traveling?
No.
Do you go to bed early?
No. No.
Do you exercise?
Yes.
Do you walk to school?
No.
Do you help your parents?
Yes.
Do you clean your room?
Yes.
Are you okay?
Yes. Yes.
Are you cold?
No.
Are you hot?
Yes.
Are you at home?
Yes.
Are you at school?
Yes.
ที่เลยเหรอ Are you alone?
No.
Are you with your friend?
Yes.
Are you free today?
No.
Are you fine?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes. แมวมึงไม่มี
Do you like ice cream?
Yes.
Do you drink water every day?
No.
Do you like chocolate?
No.
Do you like play sport?
No.
Do you run in the morning?
No.
Do you like movie?
Yes.
Do you watch movie at home?
Yes.
Do you go out on weekend?
No.
Do you like shopping?
No.
Do you buy things online?
Yes.
Are you a student now?
No.
Are you at work?
No.
Are you at the market?